Google is excited to introduce App Hub, which makes managing and deploying cloud applications easier by offering a precise representation of deployed apps. With Corsair today announced WS DDR5 RDIMM ECC memory kits are the first product from Corsair. Join into the DDR5 Workstation market. Google announced Gemini Code Assist will be available for use in the public preview. Gemma on Google Kubernetes engine, new features to support open generative AI models. Gemini 1.0 provision, Google are extending BigQuery and Vertex AI integrations. Provide multimodal generative AI use cases. You may use Gemini 1.0 provision directly in BigQuery to analyze photos and videos by mixing them with custom text prompts using well-known SQL queries. The techniques to maximize ML Productivity Goodput, as well as an API that you can incorporate into your projects to measure and track Goodput. Forum has announced the MSS A156 portable monitors, which are mobile monitors with a screen size of 15.6 inches, 144 Hz, 1440p resolution, and a retail price of $189. Duet AI in BigQuery transforms into Gemini in BigQuery, offering to optimize expenses and boost user productivity along with AI-powered experiences for data engineering, preparation, and analytics workflow.